Okay. I don't know what that piece of pipe is up there. Here we'll loose fit everything. Seven inches there. Yeah, 7 inches. Okay, so same angle as flat. So what I'm gonna do, you can use a Sharpie or something like that, marker, but mark where it goes. So everything goes in the right place. This on the bottom. Take it apart. That rock's making me feel. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so. Yeah, and then stick it up in there. Yep. So we're gonna take it all apart, put it back together, and then just do it one piece at a time. Stick it together when you don't want to. Go ahead real fast.
Yeah. 2 and 1. Where's 3?
1, 2.
1 is 3. 5. This is 3.
Yeah, it looks like it.
5. You might want to put glue on. want to put it up. Let's put it up there and then put that one on. This one like that?
Clumsy. But invariably, plumbers make enough money they eat a lot so that they are big. So you end up finding little guys like you. Have to give you a raise because you do all the crawling. Eventually they sit at home and say, you know, go do that job. You know how to do it yourself. And then you get big because you make more money. So. Well, there it is, all glued together. We end up putting a coupling here to make it right. Regular coupling, not a repair coupling. So this is really odd because of all the other plumbing pieces that we have. But now we're going to get in the PEX, which we'll have to shut the water off. So, you know, we got to go up the hill and turn the water off and then connect into it and drill the holes. So we'll take it up there with us when we drill the holes. We'll also take you when we connect it together. What do we got? Below the floor, to the floor, 18 inches. So 19 inches plus whatever height you want to splice in above there. We'll cut off the other side, coupling it over here, transfer the toilet. Okay. All right, so you missed a lot. We had to deal with water and couldn't hold the camera and keep everybody from being wet. I got wet. But anyway, all the water run downhill even though it was shut off. Brought a lot of water out when we cut the lines and just running. Anyway, we finally got it cut off. We shut off and did a coupling. So we have that. We put a electric on. Bolted the nuts to that toilet. Now I need to bring this toilet here. We also put a cap or a plug on this side. So I push it down in the floor. Tighten that up. Pretty close. You may want us to move it. I don't know. But there you have what you got. Anyway, so I'll put the nuts on this. In the water. This will have to come up, but this is just temporary. We got to put flooring and spray texture and all kinds of things, but we still got to climb under there and cut off the other side. Still got to cut that flange off over there. Put in a piece of plywood, cut that off. I need to let that flush more than once, but we need to cut that off underneath and then cap them so we don't get methane smell. And this flange doesn't have to be here. Let's see what happens. That is another day in the life. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. By the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.